Welcome to this short walkthrough video of SlashData Dashboards. SlashData Dashboards provide your team with unique access to dashboards that help you analyze, assess, and understand more about the current state of the developer world. Remember, you can always sign up and log in at dashboard.slashdata.co. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home screen of the app. The home screen displays a list of dashboards that you have either full or limited access to. Full access means you have been granted unrestricted access to the dashboard's content, so you are free to use every filter and graph available to the dashboard. In contrast, limited access suggests some of the data and filters are not available for use. The preview mode indicates that none of the dashboard's filters and charts are available to the user at this point. However, you can always reach out to us to get full access by clicking the Contact Us button. Going back to the home screen, you can see there are a lot of ways to retrieve the dashboards that you're looking for. For example, you can use a search bar at the top by typing a search term, such as Platform as a Service, or you can use the sidebars checkboxes that will filter the dashboard list based on the sectors or categories you select. Now, let's dive deeper into one of the dashboards to see how you can make the most of it. On the left side of the screen, there is a dedicated filter section. You can use the filters provided, either one at a time or combined, to obtain visualized information for the developer audience of interest. Applying the filters will update the whole dashboard for this audience. You can verify the filters application from these info boxes right here. If you wish to download the data for the whole dashboard, you can click on this Download Dashboard button, which will export the underlying data as a spreadsheet. If instead you only want to export the data from a single graph, use this Download Graph button that is located right below the graph. If you would like to share this graph with someone else from your team, click on the Share Graph button, which is again below the graph. Remember, they must have signed up using the same email domain as you in order to have the same privileges and access to the dashboards. Finally, if you'd like to share the whole dashboard with your team, click on the Share Dashboard button at the top right side of the screen. Both of these buttons create a web link that you can share via email. But there's more to our platform than just dashboards. We are also delivering on-demand data tables to our subscribers through the Data Analyst Access service. That way you can have everything under one roof and save a lot of time. Here's how it works. Back to the home screen, navigate to the Data Analyst Access section that you will find on the sidebar. There you will see the requests that you or your team have made, as well as information about who requested the data, the date of the request, its source, and the data collection period. Click on the request to see its tables. You can view its content right here. Navigate to the table that you want to focus on, like organization size. Download the table or even share it with your team. Now you can use this instead of spreadsheets. SlashData Dashboards host all the data you need, including customized data cuts to help your business best navigate the developer landscape and to form a strategy based on developers' needs and wants. If you want to know more about our available data points or seek specific answers tailored to your needs, reach out to us and we will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.